Hey Saber fans, Darth Alice here again, and I just wanted to show you the newest commission I just finished up for one of my clients. This is a Phoenix Props TFU1, and I just did an install with an Igniter3 R2 along with the Sparkcolor3r3 firmware on this. And on top of that I used a NeoPixel plug system along with a Wild-Space Outpost and NeoPixel blade. Thanks, Nathan. With the Saber, I just really wanted to do a quick demo of how the fonts work and how the new RealSwing system works with Scott's system here. So let's hear the first font.
You have done well, my apprentice.
Nice and bright NeoPixel. With igniters, with all of Scott's board, they have a 6-axis motion detector, which combines very well with the RealSwing font package that he's developed. Now, along with that, too, you get the Doppler effect. So it's doing a beautiful job tracking all my motion. Another way you can test the soundboard and sensitivity is to do like the old Zorro Z pattern in the air. And I can carry that as slow as I want to. I'm still getting the Doppler effect all the way through the Z. If I speed it up, I'm going to get the regular fonts that came with TFU1. But slow it down. Blasters. Lock up. That's the first font.
You have done at last. Pressing it in, Tiger. My spies have located another Jedi.
Just want to go to a couple different colors. This has 6 different fonts on it on this particular setup. Along with that, it has 9 color sets per font. I could get into all that, but again, on the next video, I'd like to get more into the details and operation. That's a long boot up. Beautiful yellow blade. And it does increase volume based on your speed.
Casted for us at last. Don't worry, Masters. I'll defend you from this Sith trash.
Beautiful purple blade.
Defeated an old man and an outcast. You must face a true Jedi Master. Who? Master Shok T, one of the last of the Jedi Council. He had the full power of the dark side and to defeat him. Yes, Master.
Aqua blade. So, just a few of the fonts on the Saber. Just wanted to show you a little bit of demonstration. Thank you again for watching, Saber fans. May the Force be with you always.